Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter crashing on your Twitter on settings. We will just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window here, and we will go down. Then we will click here on apps, and we come here to apps window, and we will just go down here to looking for Twitter app, and we will just go down. Then we will click here on Twitter, and we come to Twitter window here. We will click here on for stop. Then we will click here on OK, and we click here on storage. Then we click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Twitter app, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.